Good morning, Edmonton. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm going to tell you this. You're about to be inspired, all right? Starting a business, as we know, at any age is very difficult. Our next guest started her own makeup brand and is only, wait for it, 12 years young, elementary school. Please welcome Sariah Morgan to BT. Sariah, you are incredible. Okay, congratulations. You have a full-fledged beauty business and you're in grade 7. Okay, how did this all come to be?
Well, I was inspired to start my own business, by my parents. My dad, he always speaks to me about finances and about businesses. And my mom, she always, shown me the importance of giving and inspiring and empowering everyone around us, including myself. So after seeing my parents, starting their own business, it inspired me during the pandemic. It inspired me to make my own business. And growing up I had some challenges. I had sensitive skin and I wasn't allowed to use certain products on my skin, so especially on my lips. And I always remember I wanted to wear certain colors and my mom's and auntie's lipstick colors just for fun, but I was always told no. So I told myself, why not come out with my own lip gloss and make fun colors for girls who are experiencing what I was going through.
You're incredible, and we can see your company name is part of your name. It's Aya Beauty, IAH, and I love that you're about vegan, cruelty-free cosmetics. I'm such a believer in that, but it took me a long time to figure out why that's important. You're so ahead of the curve, not only as an entrepreneur, look at you, but also in making these sorts of beautiful products. And I know in December 2020, you had some help too. Tell us about that foundation.
Well, first, I was given the opportunity in December 2020 to be enrolled into a Girl Boss pitch contest by Power to Girls Foundation to win $500 to start my own business. So I worked so hard to get my vision out there for my brand and for people to vote for me. And eventually I won the contest, and it motivated me to more do it and execute my goals on paper and turn them into reality. So that's when I started selling something that I love.
You're incredible. Tell us more about the IAH, Aya Beauty. Tell us what it means.
Well, like you said before, Aya Beauty is a part of me. So it's the ending of my name, IAH. And I created a beautiful meaning behind it, which is I am her beauty, I am her strong, I am her unique, and you are all her too.
Ah, what's next for you? I hear a little pop-up shop is going up soon.
Yeah, so I figured that there's a lot of kids with ideas and dreams. So this summer, I'll be having a kids pop-up shop for young entrepreneurs in the city with my 5-year-old sister, who also has her own business.
So cute.
And so that shows, that age doesn't matter. And if it's something that you love and your parents are supportive, start the business. And also, if you started and you feel that you're not being supportive, don't give up. And that's why it's important for me to host this Young Bosses in Business pop-up shop.
Sariah, you are such a young, powerful boss. Did you say your sister's 5? Did you say 5?
Yeah.
What is her business? I'm curious.
Basari Kids.
Oh, but of course. You two are incredible. Your parents are amazing. The future is bright with you at the helm of it. For more information, everybody, go to Aya Beauty, IAH Beauty. You are such a beauty inside and out. And I'm telling you, you are inspiring all of us today. All ages across the country. Mwah. Kisses to you. Vegan, cruelty-free kisses to you. Thanks, hon. She's amazing.